In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram black screen in Instagram app. First you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone. Then go to the top of the screen and find the search bar. Here you can enter the Instagram and then update Instagram app. If it don't help you for fix this black screen, then you can just delete the Instagram app and then go to the setting, scroll down and find the apps. Select it and here find the manage apps. Here you can just wait for loading information for apps on your phone. And then using the search bar, search the Google Play Store. Google Play Store. And here just click on the uninstall updates. Click OK. And then click on the clear data and clear all data. And then you can restart your phone and go to the Google Play Store again and install Instagram on your phone. And then go to the apps and app and enter your account, and this fix the black screen on your phone. This is all for today. Goodbye.